Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious tacos on your Blackstone griddle. First, gather all your ingredients, including your choice of meat, tortillas, and fresh toppings. Next, preheat your Blackstone to a medium-high heat, around 350 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. While it heats, season your meat well with your favorite taco seasoning blend. This preparation ensures everything is ready for a smooth cooking process. Once your Blackstone is hot, carefully place your seasoned meat onto the cooking surface. Use a griddle spatula to break the meat apart into small, even pieces as it cooks. Continue to cook, stirring occasionally until the meat is fully browned and cooked through. Always ensure the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit for food safety. After your meat is cooked, move it to a cooler section of the griddle to keep it warm. Now, it's time to warm your tortillas. Place them directly on the griddle for about 15 to 20 seconds per side, just until they are soft and pliable. While they warm, arrange all your fresh toppings like shredded lettuce, cheese, and salsa for quick assembly. With everything ready, it's time to assemble your delicious tacos. Take a warm tortilla and fill it with a generous amount of your perfectly cooked meat. Then, pile on your favorite toppings, whether it's a sprinkle of cheese, a dollop of salsa, or some fresh cilantro. Serve your Blackstone tacos immediately and enjoy the fantastic flavors you've created.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.